We've all heard 1,000 times. Chicken is the healthy meat. It's lean, affordable, and the go-to choice for anyone trying to eat clean. But what if I told you there's another meat that not only rivals chicken, but in many ways completely outshines it? This forgotten superfood has been eaten for centuries, praised for its lean protein, rich nutrients, and even its eco-friendly benefits. Yet today, most people don't even consider it. In this video, we're uncovering the health secrets of rabbit meat versus chicken. And by the end, you may never look at chicken the same way again. Why we rely so much on chicken. For decades, nutrition advice has told us to ditch red meat and embrace chicken as a safe, healthy alternative. And to be fair, chicken is a good option, but here's the problem. Our obsession with chicken has created a nutritional blind spot. We've overlooked a meat that's higher in protein, lower in fat, richer in vitamins, and surprisingly much better for sustainable living. That meat is rabbit. Once a staple in homesteads and European kitchens, rabbit fell out of fashion, but it's quietly making a comeback. Let's explore why. Secret 1, protein powerhouse. When it comes to protein, chicken breast has always been the poster child. But here's the truth. Rabbit actually beats chicken. Rabbit meat, 100 g 33 grams of protein. Chicken breast, 100 g 31 grams of protein. It's not just about the numbers. It's about quality. Rabbit protein is highly digestible, meaning your body can absorb and use it more efficiently. It contains all essential amino acids, making it a perfect, complete protein. For athletes, bodybuilders, or anyone chasing lean muscle and faster recovery, rabbit provides more protein value per bite than chicken. Secret 2, heart healthy and weight friendly. This is where rabbit shines. Rabbit meat is one of the leanest meats on the planet. Stewed rabbit, 100 g 3.5 g fat. Roasted chicken with skin, 100 g 14 g fat. That's nearly 4 times less fat in rabbit. Fewer calories, less saturated fat, and a profile that makes it ideal for heart health and weight management. Yes, rabbit can have slightly more cholesterol than skinless chicken breast, but it's still far lower than beef or pork. Plus, its higher levels of polyunsaturated fats help lower inflammation and support cardiovascular health. If you're trying to lose weight or improve heart health, rabbit isn't just good, it's elite. Pretty incredible, right? And we're only halfway through the secrets. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is worth sharing. And comment below, would you try rabbit meat if it was cheaper and more available? Secret 3, hidden nutrient trove. Here's where most people are shocked. Rabbit meat isn't just lean protein, it's a nutrient goldmine. Vitamin B12. Rabbit can contain up to 10 micrograms per 100 g. Chicken? Barely 0.3 micrograms. That means one serving of rabbit can cover your entire daily B12 needs. Iron. Rabbit has up to 4 times more iron than chicken, making it amazing for energy, blood health, and preventing anemia. Calcium and phosphorus. Key for strong bones and teeth, rabbit wins again. Selenium, one serving of rabbit provides over 70% of your daily requirement, helping fight oxidative stress and support immunity. For people struggling with fatigue, anemia, or nutrient deficiencies, rabbit is a game changer. Secret 4, sustainability edge. It's not just about health, it's about the planet. Rabbits are one of the most sustainable meat animals you can raise. They reproduce fast, providing steady protein. They thrive on forage and grasses, not soy-heavy industrial feed. They require less land and water compared to cattle or pigs. And their manure? A perfect organic fertilizer that can go straight to your garden. For homesteaders, backyard farmers, or anyone chasing sustainable living, rabbits are the ultimate cycle of food and soil health, addressing the objections. Now, let's be honest. Why isn't rabbit everywhere? Cultural barrier. In many countries, rabbits are seen as pets, not food. Rabbit starvation myth. Yes, eating only rabbit long-term can cause problems, but that's true of any extreme diet. In a balanced diet, rabbit is a huge asset. Gout concerns, like all meats, rabbit contains purines. If you have gout, moderation is key. These objections are real, but none of them outweigh rabbit's incredible health profile. A food for the future. So, when you put it all together, what have we learned? Rabbit meat is packed with more digestible protein than chicken. It's dramatically lower in fat and calories, making it a champion for heart health and weight management. It's a treasure trove of vital nutrients, with an incredible amount of vitamin B12 and far more iron than chicken. And it offers a more sustainable and self-sufficient model for producing high-quality protein at home. While chicken will always have its place, the evidence is clear. Rabbit is a nutritional powerhouse that has been ignored for far too long. It's a food that's both ancient and perfectly suited for our modern goals of living healthier lives on a healthier planet. It makes you rethink what you've been told about healthy eating. The next time you're searching for the ultimate healthy protein, maybe it's time to look past the chicken coop and consider the rabbit hutch. So what have we learned? Rabbit meat is higher in protein than chicken, leaner, and better for heart health, loaded with essential nutrients like B12, iron, and selenium, and more sustainable for families and the planet. Chicken may remain popular, but rabbit is a forgotten superfood that deserves a place on our tables again. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to our channel for more insights on sustainable living, healthy eating, and backyard farming solutions. And don't forget to check out our new video on how rabbit farming powers my biogas system at home for more eye-opening exposition. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the healthiest food is the one we've forgotten.